Hi there. I'll start with the ONDO weekly chart to show you the primary Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. So the weekly chart of ONDO is showing us that it has passed the panic over stage. That's pretty much from February all the way to April. Now, it has gone through the automatic rally, setting the trading range top at around 47 cents. Coming back down for more tests. That's the typical Wyckoff accumulation cycle behavior. So the range is somewhere between 24 cents, the orange key level, all the way to 47 cents, the light blue key level. So if the price continues to bounce between these two levels, that's not something that should surprise you. Immediate resistance before the 47 cents is the green key level of 36 cents. All right. And it is currently staying between the 30 cents and the 36 cents range. So expect more tests to come, shaking up and down before the actual distribution happens. And given ONDO is a pretty young coin with not much history, we couldn't really compare if Bitcoin really comes to its bottom, whether ONDO will also drop to test a lower point. So the 20 cents, the red line, the red key level over here, you see the selling climax has a long wick touching down to that line. That's exactly what happened back in January 2024. So worst comes to worst, if it drops below the orange key level, if one of those big events happen, like Bitcoin price collapsing or seeking bottom, that is something possible. Now, zooming to the daily chart, we talked about this last week. We said when we get closer to these dates, we would see certain behavior, like whether it is going to change from a downtrend, exiting it, and get into challenging the center line. So far, after exiting on this first, it continues to challenge the center line of the medium-term downtrend that started in early May. And this currently still isn't able to break out. The volume has been slightly declining. So if the bulls aren't gaining traction with another bunch of economic data coming out soon, that's going to change the tide depending on what indications we could get from those numbers, as well as the comments from the Fed's officials. So any kind of date indication then, right? It has exited this downtrend, but if it continues within this triangle, still being suppressed by the center line of the downtrend, this date points towards the 5th of August. There's still like 3 weeks time, roughly. And you will say, how about if it comes down, breaking the 30 cents, retesting the support of the downtrend? Yes, that's completely possible. And like I said, there are a bunch of data coming out, and also the uncertainty in the Middle East still hasn't been clarified. It still hasn't been cleared. So it's possible, but the 30 cents is a pretty strong support, at least for the short term. Like if you see what happened back in late June, it came to test, but those supports were pretty solid, even though the volume slightly declined compared to what happened in May all the way to early June. So we want to see this kind of volume come back, so it can support the price to retest the green key level of 36 cents. Otherwise, if it continues with the downtrend coming back to the 24 cents, that's the range where February all the way to end of April, sideways trades happened. And it's completely normal given the backdrop of the Wyckoff stage we are in. Or is that in the beginning, if it comes down to 24 cents and range bound between 24 to 36 cents, that shouldn't be something surprising, even going up to retest 47 cents. If that's the case, with higher than average volume, like what it happened during the automatic rally, that we call the sign of strength. Okay, that's interest coming back in. So advance with volume, that's the tag I'm trying to get. Let's do it over here. Advance with volume. Okay, doesn't only the price comes back to challenge at 47 cents, but with higher than average volume. That's the case. All right, if you're interested to access these videos 2 days earlier than others, join the other channel members now. Thank you. See you in the next one.